Hello, it's Verji from 17 UK. In today's tutorial I will show you how to make an ear saver from an elastic. So you have a little bit wide elastic. This one is 5 inches long. As you can see, the elastic is very easily, forgot the word, but coming apart. So you would need one of this lighter just to make sure that this doesn't undo. I don't know. What's the word? Okay, the edges are done now. And I've chosen, I bought quite a lot of different colorful buttons when we were selling these ear savers. They were very popular. So these are wooden buttons, and look how cute this is when you just add it at the edge of the elastic. The nice thing with the elastic ear saver is that it can stretch quite a lot. In the previous tutorial for ear savers, we made this gorgeous one from a fabric. So I think this is 5 inches long. We cut the fabric 5.5, but because we sew it, it's 5. But this one does not stretch, so the stretchy bit will be actually the elastic from the mask. So when you put it, it will be like that. But the good thing for this is that the elastic stretches. So let me show you how to do the buttons now. And this is a very quick and easy project you can make for yourself. Let me bring the machine. Apologies if I made some shaking. So I already have the buttons foot ready. I make sure I add the button not too far out, so there is plenty of elastic, and again I put it in the middle of the ear saver. Now I just need to adjust where the holes are, so one goes there, one, oh, this is perfect. Okay, so I can put the foot down. So this now will keep the button in place. And the first time, again, I will make sure it's going nicely in the holes before I start doing it quicker, faster. I forgot to mention, if you haven't done a button on the machine, you have to put the machine in a darn mode, not sewing mode, which I'll show you now. If it's in a sewing mode, these little feet which help the fabric move, they come down, so there is no movement of fabric or whatever you're sewing. And also you need to put the stitch length on 0, so it doesn't keep moving forward. And then you need to adjust the length in between the holes, which if you have a leaflet or a manual instruction of the machine, should tell you how to do it. So this is the length in between the holes. You should need to adjust the stitch width. The stitch length is so it doesn't move forward, you need to put it on 0. And these are the 3 things which you need to remember. Put it on down mode. Stitch length needs to be 0 so it doesn't move. And the stitch width need to be adjusted to depending of the holes of the width in the buttons holes. So here I have only 2 holes, but if you had 4, you would just need to repeat this and move it a little bit forward. So this is good, yes, this is good as well. Oops, this is just... And this is how easy it is to make yourself a ear saver from elastic. And if you did not have sewing machine, you can just do the buttons by hand. But this is, I wanted to show how you can do it. Look how gorgeous this is. And if you haven't watched my tutorial how to make crochet ear savers, there is a video, you can go and watch it if you're a crocheter. You can crochet yourself with a ponytail or regular ear savers. These are my version elastic, fabric and the crochet ones. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.